Okay, so tonight is my first night with technical difficulties. This is the third time I'm going to try to start the beginning of this, and hopefully this time it's going to actually record. But anyway, tonight is apparently home theme for my Friday night. I'm not doing Halloween, Thanksgiving, or Christmas signs today. I'm doing stuff to put in my own home, finally, because I've been buying transfers and making tons of signs, but I've yet to hang anything in my own house, which is the whole reason I started this. So, what I'm doing tonight is I want to show you a really cool sign I made, but I really need your help because I'm not sure if it has enough on it. So if you could comment and give me your opinion, I would really appreciate it because I think it might need just a little bit more on it than it's got. So, it's this sign back here, and it says gather. And what I'm so excited about this sign is these wood flowers. And I'm just not sure it has enough of them on it. The sign is 18 by 12. It's just a pine board that my husband cut for me, and then I stained it. And I put the little sawtooth hanger thing on the back of it. I'm going to sell this at one of the upcoming craft fairs. And I think, I can't decide, I guess. Does it have enough flowers on it or not? Because I've never put flowers on something before. So let me know what you think. But this is the gather word, and grateful. So I'm going to make this one for my house. I'm going to put it in my dining room for Thanksgiving. And the blues and the grays are kind of the colors in my home. So let's make it. This will be super quick because it's one word and one swipe. But it's a big transfer, so you got to be careful. Learn from my mistakes. Be careful on that hole. Don't let the back touch itself. So you peel it off the opposite way. And as we know, I should go fast, and I don't, because I don't know why. This one is super sticky, because this word I have not used yet. So I have my towel on my lap that I'm going to fuzz. So put the sticky part down on the towel. Okay. Rub it to get the lint off. Pull my transfer up by the corners, but don't pull my transfer by the corners to pull it off. Pull it from the middle so I don't stretch my word. Oh, this one's really sticky. I'm going to do it twice because I'm putting it on wood. And I didn't wax. Don't tell. Hopefully I'm not going to regret that decision. But because it's a solid pine board, it's not, you know, the inexpensive signs that you buy that are kind of that, you can feel when you touch them, they've got the fibers of the wood. I don't usually have a problem with the solid wood stuff. Okay, I think we're getting fuzzed. So, I'm going to line it up. I really struggled on what color to do this as well. There is this beautiful color called Ocean Mist. It's really pretty pale gray blue, which is my absolute all-time favorite color. But I think because the board is gray, this one I stained gray, that it's too blue for the gray. So I'm hoping I'm not going to regret my decision, and instead I'm going to do it in the same color that I did the other board in, which is fawn. This is a super easy one swipe, one squeegee sign, but we're going to throw in a little extra at it. I'm going to let you watch me burn my fingers off with my hot glue gun, because every time I touch a hot glue gun, I burn my fingers off. Hot glue has never been my friend, ever. All I'm doing is I'm putting my fawn paste down, I'm squeegeeing it off, getting it in the silk screen, making sure I have the whole silk screen covered. When I'm done, I'm going to pull it off and put it in my tub of water so that I can wash it later. I haven't talked much about how you clean the transfers because they are reusable, and if you take good care of them, you can use them over and over and over again. As is evidenced by my adorable little spider friend. Love that guy. Used him again last night. But, you know, washing them is not hard. You put them in water. I put them in my tub of water, and then I actually have to rub the back, the sticky part off. rub the fuzzing off. So all that lint you put on it, then you put it in water and you rub it off. It comes off right away. It's not hard. It just comes right off because of the water. So, brand new transfer, super sticky, wood board. Pull slowly, or what happens is your transfers roll up. So, I started it in the corners, and I'm going to pull from the middle, but it's going to really seem sticky, because this is a really sticky transfer, and it's brand new, and it's on solid wood. Maybe I should start working out. Ooh, I'm not going to regret this color. Okay, so see how it kind of curled? I've done some where I did it way too fast, and the whole thing curled up like a window shade. Don't do that. Okay, so stick it into my water. That makes it not sticky anymore, so I don't have to worry about it sticking to itself. Oh, I'm so not regretting this color choice. Check it out. Okay, is it straight? You know me. I only lined it up once. Aren't you impressed? Okay, so hot glue gun time. So I have these 3 flowers. They're actually 3 different colors, but the 2 grays are very close to each other in color. I got a new one in hopes that it would be nice to my fingers compared to my old one. Alright, this is all you do. If you can get the glue to come out. I've had it on for a while. So, okay. Can you tell how scientific I am? I don't even measure. I don't like to measure. I don't know. I'm more of a wing it, roll with it kind of person. Sometimes that works out for me. Sometimes not so much. Like this one, I don't think I got the glue in the right place. But that's okay, because I'll just add more glue. Okay, if this is really this easy, I'm going to wonder why I've never put a flower on anything before. It looks really this easy. Okay, this can so go in my dining room. What do you think? Loving it. Okay, I might continue to chalk. I don't think I got glue button on properly. And that's kind of funny. We're going to add a little more hot glue to him. And see, maybe it just was too much. As he's cooling off, as he's sticking. Oh, I hate all these strings. I hate hot glue. It's not my friend. E6000, my favorite glue of all time. I use that stuff for everything. These stringy things drive me nuts. Okay, now he's stuck. Okay. So I shouldn't have lifted up. I should have made sure he cooled off first. We'll try it again. If he falls off again, though, stop watching me and find a different Chalk Couture person to watch. Okay. The pressure. Okay, it worked. So I'm not sure I'm going to keep chalking. You might see more videos of me tonight. Probably not, though. Thank you for watching me. If you have any interest in any of this stuff, let me know, and I'm happy to tune you in. I have my first big class tomorrow with people I don't know. It's full of people I don't know. So that's why I'm a little nervous tonight. So when I'm nervous, I chalk. But I'm rambling. See? This is what happens to me. I hope you have a fantastic Friday night. And happy chalking. See ya.